Alright, what's up guys? So today we're going to be starting up a new channel, and the whole channel is going to be about my 350Z right there. And so today what we're going to be doing, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking these little bolts right here, these little guys, and taking them out because the bumper right now is sitting too far up. And so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to re-drill holes, move it back, and hopefully we can get the fitment good. Because right here, as you see, there's a gap, and it's supposed to be like that. Like that. And this right here is supposed to match up with this. And this part right here is supposed to match up with the top of the hood that's right here, but it's not matching up. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take this off, re-drill the holes, put it back on, so hopefully we'll have that perfect fitment. Drills. Should drill these holes. Alright guys, so this is what I'm talking about. Right here we have one hole, and then we have a second hole right here. And so they're mounted into these points right here, except I need the bumper to sit back just a little more, so I think I'm going to drill one hole right on the back side of these guys right here. So let's get that done, and then I'll check back in once these holes are drilled and the bumper's mounted up. So hopefully we'll have solid fitment on this car. So right before I go to drill, I just noticed that this drill bit is not perfectly straight. It looks pretty straight on camera, but in person it's actually pretty bent, so we're gonna see how drilling goes. So I don't know if you guys can tell, and it looks like I almost didn't drill it at all, but I drilled right a little bit behind it, so hopefully this will fix the fitment problems. Also did the same on the other side. Again, it doesn't look like I did much, but there's definitely a new hole there, and hopefully this should fix the fitment right here and mainly on the sides. So let's mount this and see how she looks with it on. I've lost the other bolt. My other mounting screw. God damn it. Have to get another one? Well, I'm gonna go grab something else to mount this hole in, because I seem to have lost the other one. So I'm gonna go see if I can go find something that is the same size. Got another one.
All right, let's mount this.
All right, there she is. So let's see what she looks like with the hood down. All right, as you guys can see from the front, not the most perfect fitment, and I still have to get those side mounts up, but I'm waiting for my over fenders to come in because we're gonna wide body this car. So this is what she looks like right now with the black bumper. Yeah, see, we just got to get those in, then we'll have a wide body front, and then the front and rear quarter panels, well, the over fenders are going to be coming in soon, hopefully. But yeah, this is the new look at the front bumper. You know, you can't really tell from a distance, but if you get up close, like right here, there's a bit of a gap right up in here. See, I can fit a finger in. And then this I just have to push down, just make that fit flush. But later on, once I get the over fenders, I'm gonna shave this down and sand it so it has a nice curve instead of it looking all jagged, like going in and then back out and swooping down. So then we'll have solid fitment, but only thing I don't like is how right here you can see this, but I think I'm gonna remove this and we'll just see how that goes with this. So, but yeah, this is the new front bumper for Jessica. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video on my car of me putting on the front bumper. Again, just had to fix a few fitment problems, and later on down the future, like I said before, we're going to be getting over fenders, and then also sitting in the car in the passenger seat, I have little JDM bumper release latch things, so I'll be able to put those on once the over fenders come in. And I'm not going to actually have side mount screws, so the car is going to look a bit funky up front until I get those over fenders. But anyways, that's for another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed what you guys saw today. If you do, make sure to drop a like button, smash that subscribe button to help, you know, your boy gain some followers and build this car. And later on down the future, I'm going to do a video reviewing the car once I get a few more modifications. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.